and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, well done, 10. Okay, help yourself up, come up, and then just bend the bottom knee underneath. Ooh, we're gonna stretch that right glute, the top glute first, and now just gently press the thigh down and then lean forward. Okay, stay there. You're gonna feel the stretch on that working hip that we just did, which is my right glute. Exhale. Keep the spine long as you lean your body forward. And then release. Okay, let's go to the other side. Bottom arm is long. Let's go to our clam. Legs together. Feet aligned with the spine. And let's go to our clam. Lift the bottom waist and we open. We close. 2. We close. 3. 4. 5. 6. Stabilize the pelvis here. Let's do one more. Well done. Extend the top leg long. Bring the bottom leg forward. Again, relax the foot and we'll lift. Stabilize the pelvis. We're going to reach the leg away from the hip joint. And lengthen. Lift. And lift. And lift. And lift. 3 more times. 2, 1. We take the leg forward. We take it up. We take it down. We bring it back. And forward. Up. And back. Forward. Up. And back. Forward. Up. And back. Forward. Up. Let's go 2 more here. Forward. Up. And back. Last one. Up. And back. Let's take the leg forward again. Take it up. Let's drop it down. Down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At the 10, 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Take it up and bring it back and release. Straighten the bottom leg. Take the top leg over. Externally rotate your thigh. Reach the bottom leg away. Dorsiflex the ankle. Let's lift. And 2. And 3. And 4. And 5. And 6. 7. 8. 9. Well done, 10. Okay, help yourself up. Come up. And then we're going to bend the bottom knee. Stack the top leg on top. We're going to feel that heat underneath that glute, the working glute. You're going to feel so good after this class. Lean forward. You're going to feel that hip joint is so supported and stable. And just lean forward to stretch the glute, keeping the spine long. In breath. Exhale. One more. Exhale. That's all we have for this class. Thank you for joining me, and I wish you a great day.